Copywriting is not just writing. Writing is actually something everyone can do on a basic level. So it's not just about spelling correctly, knowing how to make sentences, or writing good English. There is content everywhere and in different forms. But only the ones that are made to 1. Affect people with words, engage, hold attention, and more importantly, change people's opinions and persuade them to take desired actions can qualify as copywriting. If you can learn that, then you have a good mind. As a copywriter, you can create ads, sales letters and copy, product descriptions, articles, emails, bids, and much more. And you can work from anywhere and get clients from all over the world. The real value of copywriting is that it can be applied to other skills. It's said that copywriting is the skill that sells other skills. And true, because no matter what skills you have, if